flipmobeatz. Buzz it on the beat, ho. Thou shalt not talk a lot of junk unless you want to get drunk. Thou shalt not cheat on your girlfriend when you know you have a girlfriend. Thou shalt not go to the club looking for some love when you already got love. Thou shalt not look for love in the wrong places because you can't trust everybody. They, man. Ratchet. Why women keep taking pics on Instagram? Ratchet. Must be the reason they can't keep a man. They can't sit with us. It's time for me to preach, church. Thou shalt not ever tell your secret to nobody. Thou shalt not trust anybody except the one who made you. But you know what I'm saying. Thou shalt not trip about nothing unless you want to be frontin'. Thou shalt not look at anybody funny, but you know how it is when it comes to money. Thou shalt not give out handouts unless you about that. Thou shalt not be short of cash. You gotta have that. Ratchet. Women keep on taking pics on Instagram. Ratchet. Must be the reason they can't keep a man. They don't sit with us. Let me preach, church. You got people living their life. They want to have a good life. Everybody got their own ways. Ain't nobody the same. We unique the way we made. Yeah. So, what you joking for? Ain't no need for no joking. Unless you trying to get a fight started. Retarded. Ratchet. People keep fronting. Ratchet. I don't know why they won't shut up, man. Ratchet. Women keep taking pics on Instagram. Ratchet. Must be the reason they can't keep a man. They don't sit with us. Let me preach, church. Bring that beat back.